Today we're using real tequila and fresh lime juice to make a moist Margarita Bundt Cake with a zesty tequila lime glaze. First, we need to grease our bundt pan. I'm using my homemade cake pan release recipe. It's super easy to make with just 3 ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen, stored in an airtight container so it's ready whenever you need it. I'll leave that link below the video. Now let's mix our dry ingredients, combine all-purpose flour with baking powder and salt, and whisk together until combined. In another bowl, I have softened butter and granulated sugar, and I'm gonna beat this on high for about 2 minutes until everything is nicely creamed together. Now, for some reason, my camera was acting up, so I didn't record me adding the eggs, but trust me, they were added. Now it's time for the star of the show, the tequila. I like using brown tequila for this recipe. I'm gonna add that in along with some freshly grated lime zest, and then some freshly squeezed lime juice, and blend until incorporated. It's time to drop that mixer speed to low and add in our dry ingredients. Alternate with milk, or you could use sour cream. Remember, always start and end with your dry. And blend until just combined, being careful not to overmix your batter. Pour into your prepared bundt pan and spread evenly. I like to give it a few taps to release any air pockets. Then this goes in a preheated oven until a toothpick inserted comes out clean, or about 45 to 50 minutes if you're baking at 350. Look at that, perfection. Now let's see how well my cake pan release worked. Did it pop right out? Yes, it did. While the cake cools, let's make our boozy glaze. Combine fresh squeezed lime juice with sifted powdered sugar and more tequila. Now you could make this alcohol free by using heavy cream or half and half, but where's the fun in that? Whisk everything together until smooth and drizzle the glaze over your cool cake. I have to admit, this is my favorite part, seeing that glaze drip down the sides. Before your glaze sets, garnish with fresh lime zest. And there you have it, a fresh and flavorful margarita cake that will transport your taste buds to a sunny paradise. It's bursting with bright flavors of fresh lime juice and a subtle touch of tequila for a refreshing dessert that captures the essence of a tropical getaway. I'd love to hear how your cake turned out, so be sure to leave a comment below and share your baking adventures with me. Don't forget, the full recipe is always available on my website, and I will see you next time. Happy baking!